me and my team created a revolutionary solution. So I'm very happy to introduce my crypto trading AI. In the meantime, our deal brought us good money for the first trade. Will the market retain the trend of such bright growth, and how can a beginner start earning on crypto in 2025? Many experts predicted a strong bullish trend in the crypto market by the end of 2024. At the moment, the price of the Bitcoin has passed the mark of $107,000. And those who listened and invested a pretty solid capital have already made a good profit. But what should we do to those who missed the opportunity and just realized it? Will the market retain the trend of such bright growth, and how can a beginner start earning on crypto in 2025? Well, I am Jenny, a trader with 5 years of successful experience in trading, and today I'm going to simply answer to those complex questions. So let's go. Major event in the crypto market was the launch of ETF in the United States in January. So this fact allows us to legally trade with Bitcoin in the form of shares of these funds. So these mark the trend of the market at the beginning of the year. The rapid growth of cryptocurrencies has continued since Trump's victory in the election.
United States, Donald J. Trump.
In his election speech, he repeatedly promised the support for the crypto business and openly declared the support for the crypto industry and American mining companies. Key figures for clarity. The price of the Bitcoin on January the 1st in 2024 was $43,000 and the Ethereum was $2,000. Now it costs $107,000 and the Ethereum is $4,000. With a properly assembled portfolio, you could multiply your balance at least 4 times. Pretty good rates, right? But what if I tell you that you can multiply that much your capital just for one day? It's not a casino or financial pyramid advertisement, so I'm talking about trading. Compare both options for investing in crypto face-to-face and highlight the pros and cons. There are 2 ways, 2 points. A. Investing in portfolio, and B. Trading. Point 1. Time period. A. From 6 months to 1 year to infinity, and B. From 2 minutes to 1 day or a couple of days. To achieve at least doubling your capital in a long term, it will take you about a year to earn on such a well-known coins as Bitcoin or Ethereum, since the market is very heated. Well, it is not bad if your strategy is to invest and forget. So in other words, play in the long term. Of course, I do not exclude the trading on little-known coins or meme coins, but your chance to win, to be honest, is frankly small. Point 2. The equivalent of profitability. So A. From 100 to 150% of own investment, and B. From 100 to 500%. In investing and holding cryptocurrency, your approximate return can be 100, and if you're lucky, it can reach 150%. Everything is quite simple. Open the chart with the same Bitcoin at the last 2 years, and you will see the figures I was talking about earlier. With the correct allocation of the funds and adhering to a clear strategy, your profit will be about 20% for one transaction. So let's say you've invested $100. With the correct allocation of the funds, it will take you about $20 for one transaction. And with the successful trade, your income will be the same, $20. Such deals per day can be made from 10 and even more. In other way, you'll get the total net profit of $100. So the amount of deals can and should be increased. Point 3. Time required. So A. 1-2 days at the initial stage, and B. From 30-40 minutes a day. Qualitatively assemble your crypto investment portfolio, you need at least a couple of days to understand the details. So find out which coins you should be focused on, which can be excluded. Work through all of the risks and make a final decision. So and all of this reminds is to watch and monitor and buy coins along the way. Trading, everything is a little bit different. So individual trading is that when you work for yourself without anyone's help on the market. And it takes years of practice. But with a good mentor, your trading sessions per day will take not more than 1 hour. So, for example, in my training community, I provide 2 trading sessions per day, and it takes my students not more than 2 hours a day. 4. Risk score. So it's only 2 ways: high and medium. The rise or fall of cryptocurrencies is confirmed by nothing. So for example, if we compare the crypto with the US dollar, we understand that dollar is reliable as well as the economics of the United States is strong, while crypto can be vanished in any time because it's not centralized in any ways. So it's unlikely, but still it's possible, so this risk is medium. It consists entirely of risks, and entering it, you should realize that sometimes you will lose, sometimes you'll be defeated, but it's a part of the game, so that's life. And I would like to say that you don't need to be worried because it's definitely worth it, because with the right approach, it will lead you to a financial freedom. The main task of a trader is to minimize the risks and maximize the income. For this purpose, me and my team created a revolutionary solution. So I'm very happy to introduce my crypto trading AI. Artificial intelligence collects and analyzes the current and the past market positions, namely as position of the candles and indicators, and identify the volatility of coefficient in the market. In addition, it takes into account the general news about cryptocurrency in live mode, so this is that you have never seen before. Together, this allows to give signals with 92% accuracy and please the traders with the reliable deals. We'd like to face that AI trading is not an independent unit and the live trader could never be replaced by it. So it's only needed for you to help you to analyze the market and make successful deals. So your task is only to get signals and maintainly use it. Well, let's see for ourselves. Go to the Trading AI page, the link to which you can get personally from me in my Telegram channel. So click Start, then click on the Get a Signal button, and the process of connecting to the broker service and analyzing the current state of the market and comparing it with the million data from history starts. So upon completion of these processes, an asset with the next exact expiration time is given. So our task is to copy it to the broker and then click Ready. After a few moments, we get the direction of the trend, and the most important point is that we should enter the trade as soon as possible. So if you realize that more than 5 seconds have passed at most, just skip the trade and use the AI again. So now let's wait for the end for the trade to record the results. So if you're interested in trading, want to develop in this field and learn more information about it, I think my community is the perfect place for these purposes. So here I share my experience, I publish trading materials and trading news so that even beginners and experienced traders can grow and develop. And most importantly, I publish 16 signals per day, which allows you to earn even without any experience. The process of copying signals is pretty simple, so it is identical with which I showed you with the AI. So come on in, sign up and be amongst the best, experienced and motivated traders. In the meantime, our deal brought us good money for the first trade, so we do this scheme about 10 or 15 times per day and come to the stable and wealthy income. Remember that your position depends only on yourself. So I wish you a productive day and see you soon, my loves. Bye-bye.